Stop. I run back to him. One defender, one strike. Okay? Ready? Over movement back to him. What does it mean? That if he have the ball, I cannot cut the field in this area. Okay? I have for sure to pass back to him and aggressive. Give me the ball. Come, come. Now I decide what to do. Okay? Ready? Let's start. Pronto, Ahmed? Stop. Pronto? Your movement, Ahmed. 1 and 2 versus 1 and 2 now. Attack now. Ahmed, 2 versus 1. Move and go ahead. Play. Ok, no defender on him. Guys, bravo, faster on the wide. Paolo, sei tu adesso, con l'altro. Good one, play. Bravo. 5, 4. Bravo. 3 passes to take 1 point, defender. Bravo, Pedro, open it, Samu. Bravo, Pedro, find the way. Bravo, stop, 1 point.